I'm gonna die, Mom. I'm gonna die. It's not funny. This is death. Death.
Which way?
One. Come on.
I see you've been getting worse.
My mouth.
Iraq is not this time of year.
Bite.
When did you start sleeping with a bomb in the sky?
Chew.
From the nightmares.
Are you taking a video?
Stand there looking at me with those horrible eyes of yours.
Oh my
And lay the
goodness.
blame for the death of the
Put it
people
in your mouth.
me. When we both know very well I didn't murder her at all.
Bite.
Benjamin,
Bite it.
you did. No, that's not true. Yes, it is. You crept into my bedroom in the dead of night. Like a rat. You have the audacity to pretend that you're the victim. I know who you are, boy. What you are. I know everything you had, you took from me. So, once again I ask you, why are you here? I'm here, Charles, to tell you that I'm going to kill your
That is.
And when she's gone, she's dead. Then you'll understand
Yeah, but.
why. And you'll wish you hadn't changed the rules.
It's not.
You'll never find her.
Mom, it's not even fine. It's not. I'm gonna die.
It's mine, Benjamin. It always was. You'll be again. But you never find me. I suppose it is.
I'm not even joking, Mom. That is the hardest thing I've ever. Right. It's not. Mom. Mom. It's not even mine.
Oh my gosh.
It's getting worse.
Yep.
It's not even like. It's getting worse. That was a. I need more. I need more. I need more.
Hold it in your mouth. Hold the milk in your mouth.
throat. It's my throat. That is the word. It's the worst pain I have ever felt in my life. I'm not even joking. Oh my! It is the worst. Turn it off.
Just put your mouth down in the ice cream.
You do not understand how bad it burns my throat. It is not my lips. It's my lip. It's my whole. hope I die and you guys will be laughing. Quit videotape. I need sugar. I need sugar.
Sure doesn't help.
Oh my god. Oh my god. It is still there. It is still there. I did not imagine this is what hot stuff. Whatever. What did you do with that ice cube?
Oh boy. I don't know what in the world.
How can...
Chris said peanut butter.
Jack. Jack. I need you to wake up. Jack. Can you hear me?
I hate my life. Why did I do that? That is the worst thing I've ever tasted in my life.
I want the truth. I don't. That's the truth. I'm telling you. I don't want the truth. Just go signal. Signal? What? There was a signal when you called back last night. So what? Now they're just ignoring us?
You don't even care. Not even care.
Oh, just watch. I just want to.
I'm about to stick my whole face in this ice cream.
Jack, these people are lying to us. I know they're lying. Sooner or later, their people are.
It's not going away. It's not going away.
Unless they
Yeah, I know.
Listen to me. Jack, are you alright?
I'm fine.
You just have to be patient. Okay?
I'm gonna puke.
I said I was gonna get us off the island, all of us. I promised that I would. Jack! Jack! Jack!
Jack. Jack. Jack.
I drank a half a gallon of milk and I'm gonna puke.
Hello.
You know I swallowed it? Half of it? I swear I swallowed half.
Yeah. Yeah. I'll be in there.
Am I red?
No, you're completely white with ice cream. I've got ice cream clear up your nose.
Say, look at my mom.
I know.
I know.
Son of a bitch.
You go get.
Want a Carolina Reaper? Huh? You still hate me?
What? Like this girl?
Do your lips feel like they're about out to
Can you turn that off, please?